Hello everybody, today we're going to make Oreo and Mars bar brownies. So, the things you need is a bowl, an electric whisk, a spatula, you need a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 3 eggs, 1.5 deciliter flour, 1 cup of cacao, and 175 grams butter, and 2 deciliter sugar, an Oreo pack, and 2 Mars bars. So you have to add the butter and the sugar and mix them together. So I'm pouring in the sugar right now. Yeah. So let's take away those. So, okay, now let's whisk them. Okay, I failed a little bit now, but yeah, it's going to go good. So do not melt your butter before you do this. It should be like room temperature warm. Now you add 1 egg, and then 2 eggs, and then the 3rd egg, and then you whisk. And when you're done with that, you add the salt and the vanilla sugar. Yeah, like this. And then you take the cocoa and pour it in. And then you take your spatula and mix it with it. Ta-da! All done. Now you add the flour. And this will go really fast. Yeah, do these steps again because you'll need one more batter. Okay, let's take it away. Here comes the Oreos. Choo-choo! Yum, yum, yum. Oreo cookies. Everybody's favorite. Now let's put them. Yes. And now let's chop, 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 chop. So now we're done. Take those away. And now comes the Mars bars. And then they're out of their package. And then I've cut them. Yes, exactly like that. Now let's take them away. And take your, this thing. And then pour the batter in. Just like that. Okay. When you've poured it in, you take your spatula, like I'm doing right now, and you mix it. And then you're done. Okay, not done, but now you put the Oreos and the Mars bars on the brownie batter. So here comes the Mars bars and all done. Okay, not all done, because you need your second batter. And you pour that on the first batter. Okay, this one's a little bit hard, so I'll just skip this part. All done. Yes. Now I'll put it in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius, and now it's done. It's all done. It smells so delicious. Ta-da! And these are your brownie and Oreo cookie brownies. Thanks for watching.